Switchblades.tv presents Alright, this is the Aldolfine, Capone, Walts, Latama, Stiletto. Let's go through the Stiletto. This is the side slide safety. Has the red dot, so then you can't depress the button, right? This is the top bolster, the bottom bolster. This is the handle scale. So when you want to open, slide the safety down, press the button, and the dagger blade is open. This is a V-channel dagger. You can see the V. It's pretty well pronounced. Has the Walts cat, the quality QC, the Freight Beltrami limited editions. To close it, it's a transitional. A pick lock is straight across, therefore you can't move the bolster, and then you would pick the lock out with your two fingers to close it. But in the 60s they changed things to the transitional, which is right here, and you can see the swoop. So you push the swoop and it moves the pick lock up out of the way so that you can close the knife. Right, this is the Al Capone model, but it is signed Aldolfine Capone. That is his official name in Italian, and this is his signature that he signed. The back has his profile, the 30s car, and of course the Tommy gun shooter. Now this is Camel bone. It was done by Jim Stevens, the world-renowned Scrimshaw artist from Colorado. And I've gotten quite a lot of history lesson about Scrimshaw. I didn't know that Scrimshaw was the oldest American art form. It was an art practiced by the Yankee whalers, and they sailed from the east coast around the Cape of South America and whaled towards the north on the Pacific side, and they captured sperm whale and did artwork on the teeth and the tusks. This was to waste time while they were on the ships for 4 years. Jim told me that I guess the name Scrimshaw itself is Old English and has been said of meaning that it means waste of time or wasting time, which is pretty ironic because it is quite the art form. It's basically, I would say, like tattooing the bone and ivory of the whale or walrus tusk, actually, they used as well. And that's pretty much a true American art form, if any. I mean, that's why most people that collect Scrimshaw collect it from America, because we're the creator of it. So this model, I said that the Stiletto is basically made famous because of America and its Italian influence. And nobody's probably more famous as a gangster than Al Capone, so I wanted a model that represented, true American heritage. And I thought Al Capone was going to be pretty cool on a stiletto, so I commissioned Jim Stevens to create this for me. And this is what I got. It's very cool. And sadly, I got to be the creator of this, and now I have to say goodbye to it. This is on its way to the Russian Federation, because I guess there are very well influenced members of society in Russia that collect American art, which is very cool. This is a very cool piece, and I'm very glad that I got to create this with Jim and got to see it, and it will be missed by me, but I'm glad that I was the first one to do something like this, and I'm very proud that it's going to go to a good home in the Russian Republic. We're going to have to say goodbye.
Available at assistedknife.com.
Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com.